Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market.
Yes. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So I'm back again with another Volatility 75 Index weekly analysis. So let's dive in. So you can see, let's check our weekly highs and lows from this chart. This is our weekly, this is our last week high, and this is its lows. Excuse me. So you see, we have already marked our highs and lows, but market has already broken below our highs here, our lows. Sorry. Let me come down to the lower time frames so that I can see it very well. Then this is our highs, and this is, so you see, as I told you, market has already broken our previous week high. So that's to tell you that market has come and formed a what, something like a base support here. So since market has broken this level downward here, so we're waiting for this market to retest 50% retracement of this trend, then before we continue selling, because actually market have broken out. So for Volatility 75 Index, this is the main scenario here. Either for since market has broken below this level and is trying to retest this for the first time, come back again to retest the second time, will be like a double bottom base, and the market is likely to go off higher again to touch this area as a retest, and the market will continue going down higher. So I think with this, I will place my buy stop order at this level, because that's the level I was expecting the market to reach when it's coming offward. You see, though the market may continue going down lower, because look at it here, market is at a significant level. So if market was able to break below this level, because you can see market has been carving higher lows. So even if you outline the trend, you know that the market is in descending order, and this is our base level. So market is around here, it will go up here, come back. So anyway, if this triangle broken off here, market will target this high. If this is broken down, the market will target the next low. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Let's still check some recaps. You see, that's why I was see this trade I have been holding. I was buying this market since this level. Since after this retest is another breakout here, market retested it, almost similar to condition we have now. Market broken a level here. Let me show you. Market broken a level here, and market come and retest it here, then before it continue coming down. So similarly, the same thing happens here. Market have broken below this low. Let me show you. Market has broken below this low here, and it's tested it for the first time. Come back here again. So market will go back again to retest this area, so that we can have something like a range, so that as the market is testing this area, we might likely have a pullback down into this area, and if market continue, it will just break this low and will continue going down lower. So that's the simple and the basic analysis of Volatility 75 Index. So please, if you find value on this video, please don't forget to like this video. This was last week's signal. I think this was last week. I entered on the 15th. It's not even last week, it's almost 2 weeks. This trade is this one. Okay, this is last week trade on the 23rd, but this is last 2 weeks on the 16th, on the 15th. So that's why I told you, either you are using the Volatility 75 index strategy or you are using the magic bomb strategy, you can be able to catch your swing trade, and also you can be able to catch your scarf trade. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's go.